didn't know you were here from the first. Didn't you see me blow my massive bubble? Oh my god, you call that a big bubble? Okay, you're acting sarcastic now. Wait, what? Hey, it was big, okay? It was, right? Who would agree to you while you just blowed a teeny tiny bubble? Gosh, people need to learn from me how to blow massive bubbles. You agree with me, people, don't you? This is not fair. It was big. Just ignore her. Just ignore. Who doesn't love bubblegum? All of us do, except the moms who steal it from us and say, it's not good for you. But we find it out and hooray, we have fun with it. Today's topic is, what is bubblegum? Before we dive into the topic, let's see the history of bubblegum. We have been chewing bubblegum from the Stone Age. Surprise! Even Stone Age people loved to chew the bubblegum. But they didn't use it for blowing bubbles and having fun. They instead used it for their mouth fresheners. Hey, don't blame them. They didn't sell mint in those days, okay? In the civilizations, such as the Mayans and the Aztecs, chewed another bubblegum called the chiclet. They chewed it for brushing their teeth. It just stick to the particles, dust particles in the teeth and pulled it out and they spit it away. And they chewed it up hard and stick in the walls for sticking papers and other stuff. And they also used it for the mouth fresheners. And after a few years, in the ancient Greek period, they chewed another bubblegum called the mastic gum, which was made out of the mastic tree's resin. It was there to keep their oral health healthy. After a bit of evolution, the bubblegum recipes, they started adding plants, grass, and resin. You all guys want to know a fun fact? The first flavored chewing gum was produced in the nowadays softeners and flavorings for the recipe of bubblegum. The main question that always hits the bulb is, what if we swallow chewing gum? It won't lead to choking, or it won't stick to the walls of the stomach like it sticks to any other surface like our skin. It goes through the throat and our stomach, and our stomach acids would be able to dissolve the sweeteners, softeners, but it won't be able to dissolve the resin, or else called as a synthetic rubber. But don't worry, our stomach will save us anyway, because it has its own ways. It will just pass it out in the form of feces. We no need to worry about all the things such as it will stick to our stomach walls. If we can swallow chewing gum and it's no problem, why can't we eat a handful of chewing gum? No. That will lead to choking. If we eat it on a regular basis, it may form a blocking in your stomach. Then you would need some medical attention. Please don't do that. Chewing bubblegum is just for fun. Now it's question time. Question time is all about, I ask you questions about what we did today. Today's question is, who invented the first flavored chewing gum? You can give the right answers in the comments down below. Don't worry if you're wrong. I will not shout at you like any other grumpy old teacher would do. I'll correct you. So I think you all have learned now about what will happen if we swallow chewing gum and what is the history of chewing gum. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Learn with Arshiya, and bye guys!